In this video, we're installing the new Rippin Moto Universal Bar Mount. This innovative upgrade fits most E-Motos and brings some serious improvements to your ride. With its precision CNC machining and adjustable positioning, you'll get enhanced control, comfort, and a personalized fit. Let's get started. We'll begin by removing the front fender. Once that's out of the way, we'll need to loosen the screen mount. Carefully move the screen aside so we can access the handlebars. Go ahead and unbolt those bars and move them off to the side for now. Next, grab 2 Allen wrenches. We're going to use these to unscrew and remove the stem lock bolt. With that out, you can take off the stock bar mount from the headset tube. Now, here's where we need to pay attention. We're going to use some headset spacers to fill in the gap where that stock mount was sitting. We're using our own Rippin Moto headset spacers for this, which you can find on our website. All right, time to reinstall the stem lock bolt. This part can be a bit tricky to line up just right, so take your time with it. No need to rush. Once you've got it in place, use a torque wrench to tighten it up to 10 Newton meters. Moving on, we need to remove the 4 bolts that connect the headlight mount to the triple clamp. Before we install our new Rippin Moto bar mount, let's add a small amount of blue thread locker to the new bolts. This will help keep everything secure. Here's a pro tip for you. The new bar mounts can be positioned slightly forward or back. It's easiest to get this set up how you want before you try to install them on the bike. So take a moment to assemble the bar mount pieces in your chosen position. Now we're ready to put it all together. Place the bar mount on top of the triple clamp and make sure the light mount is sitting underneath it. Take those 4 long bolts and tighten them down to 12 Newton meters. We're in the home stretch now. Let's get those handlebars installed into the new mount.
Okay.
Position them exactly where you want them. Then use your torquey wrench again to tighten the bars to 8 Newton meters. Last but not least, we need to readjust that eRide Pro screen and get it tightened back up. And there you have it. You've successfully installed your new Rippin Moto E-Moto bar mount. This upgrade is going to give you better control and comfort on your rides. Ride safe and have a blast with your improved setup.